Is our optional mathematics class, and in the last class we had done some proof regarding trigonometric ratios, right? And the exercise was exercise 6.2, and today we are continuing the same. And I request you all to revise the formula that I had given you in the previous lectures, because this is the dependent class, and without having knowledge of previous classes, it is very harder to continue. So I request you all to revise the formula and the numericals that we had solved in the previous classes, right? So let me take you to the screen, and today we are doing a bit tough questions, so pay very much keen attention. Now I'm taking you to the whiteboard, okay? So we are doing these questions today. I want you to copy the first question, and let me write the heading first. The heading says proof. And the first question is sec power 4 theta minus 1 is equal to 2 tan squared theta plus tan power 4 theta. This is sec power 4 minus 1 is equal to 2 tan squared theta plus tan power 4 theta. Copy the question very fast. Now let us move to the solution. Have you copied this? So let's go to the solution, okay? Now our first question is, it says sec power 4 theta minus 1 gives 2 tan square theta plus tan 4 theta, right? Tan power 4 theta. Now, what do you think? Should you do from left part or right part? You can go either way, but I think it is easier to go from left. Why? I'll explain you. Just a minute, okay? Let's go with the left part. Right LHS. It says sec power 4 theta minus 1. And I think it gives us hint to use of formula, right? Look at here. It can be written as sec square theta whole square minus 1 square. Is it clear? Look at here. Square power square becomes 4. And 1 is the square of itself, right? So now this will be as a square minus b square. Look at here. This is our a square minus b square. So we can write the formula, direct formula, a minus b and a plus b. Are you clear? This is our a square minus b square form, right? The quantity inside bracket is a. So a minus b, a plus b. Now I think this straight matches to the formula, right? Because sec square theta minus 1 means tan square theta. So this can be written as tan square theta. Tan square theta. And now let's convert this into tan. Look at the RHS part first. In here, look at RHS. There is no sec, right? And in LHS, there is only sec. So we are now converting sec into tan completely, because our RHS right hand side does not contain sec at all. So this has been converted into tan directly, but this is not our standard formula. So let's write the formula. This sec square theta can be written as 1 plus tan square theta. You remember this, right? This is our standard formula. You can watch our previous videos or notes. And this one of the right part is as it is. Are you getting this? The sec square theta can be written as 1 plus tan square theta, and the one of the right part remains as it is. Is this clear? So now this will be tan square theta, and the 1 and 1 added becomes 2. 2 plus tan square theta. This will look like this. Solving further, we get 1 plus 1 becomes 2, and the tan square of middle is as it is. Now you can open the bracket. Tan square into 2 becomes 2 tan square theta. And for the right part, tan square into tan square becomes tan 4 theta. I think this is our right hand side, right? This is our right hand side. Very simple. Let me show you from the first. Look the solution. Now I think you got the answer. Why did we start from left part? Because left is exactly similar to the formula a square minus b square. So if the expression can be converted into formula easily, then you need to start it from there. But in the right part, you can't use a square minus b square. or a square plus b square, it is harder there. So we started from left part. Are you clear? A square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b, and this is direct formula. I have converted sec into tan, and I have just opened the bracket, and we got our answer into tan form. Is this clear? You can raise your hand if I can rub it. Raise your hand, please. I can rub it, right? So while I rub the board, I request you to revise the formula, okay? Let me rub the board. Just a second, okay? You can just revise the formula or analyze the question. We're just done. Now I want you to copy the second question. It says sine cube theta plus cos cube theta upon sine plus cos. Copy that B part. Question number B. This one. Sine cube plus cos cube by sine plus cos. Sine cube minus cos cube by sine minus cos is equal to 2. This is our question. Second part. Copy it fast, okay? And I think you have understood which part should we begin from. I think from left part, right? Because you can't start from 2 and get to the right, left part. So let's begin from left and obtain the 2. Can I solve this now? Let's write left hand side first, okay? Now just solve the question. The question says we can directly start with the left hand side. It says sine cube theta plus cos cube theta by sine plus cos, right? And the second part is plus sine cube theta minus cos cube theta by sine minus cos. This is our complete question. Is this clear? Now I think in the numerator part, this is the format of a cube plus b cube, right? So let's start the solution. Now the numerator will be sine theta cube plus cos theta cube, right? By sine plus cos. Are you clear? I have converted the given into this form. And the plus of middle part is as it is. And the right part will be sine theta whole cube minus cos theta whole cube upon sine minus cos. This has been copied as it is. Is this clear? A cube plus b cube, a cube minus b cube format. Are you clear now? So let's solve further. Now I think you might remember the formula of a cube plus b cube, right? A cube plus b cube will be a plus b, a plus b, a plus b and a squared minus ab plus b square. Is this okay? A plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Our a is sine theta and our b is cos theta. Is this clear? And the denominator part will be as it is. It will be sine theta plus cos theta. Are you clear up to here? This is clear, right? A plus b, a square minus ab plus b square, and the denominator part is copied as it is, right? And the plus of this middle part is written over here. And I don't have a space in the right part, so let me write the remaining part at the down of this expression, okay? So the remaining part will now be, let us expand this part. This will be a minus b, and a square plus ab plus b square. Okay? Look this again. A plus b, a square minus ab plus b square, and the denominator is as it is. And for this part, I have solved it here. A minus b, a cube minus b cube expansion, a square plus ab plus b square. Is it clear? Due to lack of space, I have written it in two forms, okay? 2 steps, right? But you can write a single line. Is this clear? And the denominator part is as it is. It will be sine theta minus cos theta. Is this clear? Now, I think something is getting cancelled over here. This part is as it is, right? Same part, we can cancel it. And even here, we can cancel these two. Are you clear up to this? Now, We have nothing left in our denominator. We have only numerator left. So let us solve. In this part, we do have sine square, cos square, minus sine cos. It will be sine square. Let me write it here. Sine square plus cos square minus sine cos minus sine cos. Are you clear up to here? Let me repeat it again. We have sine square at the beginning. I have put it here. And we have cos square at the end. I have brought it in the middle part. And this minus sine theta cos theta is at the end part. Is this clear? Now we have this plus sign, this one, which was in the middle in the beginning, right? So in this part, we do have sine square theta, and at the end part, we have cos square theta plus cos square theta, and in the middle part, we have plus sine theta cos theta, plus sine theta cos theta. Are you clear up to this? Look at here, sine square cos square minus sine cos, sine square cos square plus sine cos, and the sign of the middle has been kept as it is. Now you might wonder why I am doing like this, because it fits into formula. Look at here, sine square plus cos square will be straight 1, right? It will be 1 because this is our standard formula, and minus is as it is, and sine theta cos theta has been written as it is, and this plus is the plus sign of the middle part, right? Even here, sine square plus cos square will result to 1, right? And the next part is plus sine theta cos theta. Is it clear? Look at here. Sine square plus cos square is equal to 1 for this part, and the end part has been copied as it is. Now you can look at very clearly, these two are getting cancelled, right? Minus sine cos plus sine cos are being cancelled. Now we have only two numbers left, this 1 and this plus 1, right? And 1 plus 1 will result 2. Is it clear? Now the question has been solved completely. I think our right hand side was 2, right? So look the question from the beginning part. Look at here. It was AQ plus BQ format and AQ minus BQ format. We just used the formula, right? And we cancelled the numerator and denominator. And then we added the both expressions by arranging it in the formula form. And we wrote sine square plus cos square as 1. And we cancelled the negative and positive terms. Now finally we get 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Are you clear here? If you are clear, then raise me your hand so that I can rub it. Can I rub it? Oh, very good. Now you are requested to copy this third question. This one, C number, sine 6 minus cos 6 will give 2 sine square theta minus 1, cos square theta plus sine 4 theta. Copy this correctly. Sine 6 minus cos 6 is equal to, here is equal to 2 sine square theta minus 1, cos square theta plus sine 4 theta, that is 4. Be a bit careful, okay? That is 4 power. Have you copied it? Let me rub the board first, okay? Let me rub the board. While I am rubbing the board, you can just analyze your previous question and you can ask if there is any doubt. And I request you all to complete the assignments in time and keep on revising the contents as well, because the course is getting harder and harder. So I require your full focus and revising tendency, okay? So let's begin our third question. It says sine 6 theta, write the question, sine 6 theta minus cos 6 theta, it must give 2 sine square theta minus 1 and cos square theta plus sine 4 theta. This is our question. Are you clear? And I think it is better to start from left part. Why left part? Because it is in the form of A6 minus B6. I think we had done it during the factorization process, right? So be careful. Let us solve from left part. Write LHS first. LHS says sine 6 theta minus cos 6 theta. Are you clear? And we had already done this in our factorization part. Now this can be written as sine cube ko whole square, right? Minus cos cube whole square. Is it clear? Or you can do, hey, wait a second, just a second. I think this is a bit in next format. You can do this. You can do there sine square whole cube and cos square whole cube, right? Or we had a next option, right? Sine cube whole square minus cos cube whole square. Are you clear? Because either way is correct. 2 3s are 6 and 2 3s are 6. This one is also correct. And look at here, 3 2s are 6 and 3 2s are 6. Both ways are correct. But look at the question first. It has our right hand side like this. We do have 2 sine square theta. We have square theta. And here also we have square theta. So we need to consider this as the correct path. Though both are same process, it looks like same process, but this will not lead to our answer. Because why? Because it is a square minus b square format, and we are having sine cube theta inside the bracket. But in the RHS we are having sine square theta. Here is cos square theta. So we need to select the part that has square theta. So we should do this one, not that one. That one will lead you to incorrect steps. Are you clear? So let us do this one. You are correct. Okay? You are getting it right. So let's do this first. Now it says a cube minus b cube. Here our a is sine square theta. A cube minus b cube. Are you clear? So let us use the formula. The formula says a minus b, right? A minus b, a minus b. Now it will be a square minus plus ab plus b square. Are you clear? Let me show this to you. Look at here. First of all, we did a square whole cube and b square whole cube. Now it will be a cube minus b cube. Our a is inside this red circle, sine square. Our b is inside this red circle, cos square. Now this can be written as a cube minus b cube. Our formula is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Are you clear up to here? Now look the right hand first. I think you should look it again. There is 2 sine square theta minus 1. It means in this expression there is no cos. But we do have here sine and cos both. So it means you should convert this cos into sine. Now you might ask, how do we know this? By looking right hand side. In right hand side there is no cos square, right? Look at here. There is only sine square, no cos square. So for this one we have to convert this cos into sine. So now it will be further sine square theta is as it is, and you know the formula of cos square theta, right? It will be 1 minus sine square theta, but you have to keep bracket over here. Is this clear? Now close the big bracket. Did you get it what I did just a second before? This one is our step, right? The sine square theta is as it is, and the cos square theta has been converted into sine because our right hand side has only sine over here. Is this clear? So for the second part, look at here again. There is sine square whole square plus sine square cos square whole square. Now if we look these two part, first part and last part, it looks like a square plus b square. Look at here, a square plus b square. So let me keep these two together, so it will be easier to apply formula. Now this will be sine square theta whole square over here, and the third part is cos square theta whole square. These two are kept together. Now this middle part is left, so we can write this as sine square theta cos square theta. Is this clear? What I have done is I have kept the first part as it is. I have kept this last part as middle part, and the middle part is at the last one. Is this clear? So this is our further step. Now let's continue it further. Now it will be sine square theta minus into 1, it will be minus 1, minus will be plus, right? So plus sine square theta. I have just opened the bracket with a negative sign. It will be minus into 1 minus 1 minus plus. This is very simple. Are you clear up to here? And in the second part, look at here, we do have a square plus b square, and a square plus b square has a formula, right? Look at here again. A square plus B square will be A plus B whole square minus 2AB. Let me write it in red form. Okay, red color. A square plus B square. Okay. This is our A. This is our B. Now it will be A plus B whole square, right? A plus B whole square minus 2 A B. Are you clear? A plus B whole square minus 2AB. This is for A square minus B square. Are you clear up to here? And our last part is still remaining. This is our plus sine square theta cos square theta. Are you clear up to here? Once again, I will show this to you. The sine square theta is as it is, minus 1 is as it is, minus minus plus sine square theta. And in this part, we have written A square plus B square. Sine square 1 is sine square theta, and minus minus will be plus, and sine square into sine square will be sine 4 theta, right? It will be sine 4 theta. Are you clear up to here? Look at this properly. Sine square theta minus 1 is as it is. 1 minus sine square theta. Cos square has been converted into 1 minus sine square. Now open the bracket. Sine square 1, the sine square. The minus sign is as it is. And minus minus become plus. And sine square into sine square will be sine 4. Right? So let us do the final step now. So this will be, I think I should write it to the up part, okay? Let me write to the upper part. Now this will be, look at here. Now this will be 2 sine square theta minus 1 as it is, right? And look at here, here is 1 minus sine square. So 1 minus sine square can be written as cos square, right? So now this will be cos square theta, and the plus sign will be as it is here, plus, and the rightmost part is sine 4 theta. This will be here, sine 4 theta. I think this is our RHS. Is it clear? Look below this line. This is our solution. Let me show you from the beginning part, okay? Now this seems like this. Look at here properly. Our left part is sine 6 minus cos 6, and right part is 2 sine square theta minus 1. This is minus 1, okay? I have circled it, so it might look like plus, but this is minus. This is minus 1. Let me remove these extra lines, okay? Now this is the correct form. 2 sine square theta minus 1 cos square theta plus sine 4 theta. This was our right hand side. Now we started as a cube minus b cube or a square minus b square. We cancel this format because we need sine square inside the bracket. So we put here sine square inside the bracket and we did cube on both sides. So a cube minus b cube will be a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Is it clear? So in this cos square, we have converted cos square into sine square, 1 minus sine square. But during conversion, you must put the brackets. And in this part, what we have done is sine square is here as it is, and this third part has been brought in the middle part, and the middle part has been taken to the last part, so that we can perform a square minus b square over here. And the next part is we have opened the bracket by minus sign. It will be sine square theta minus 1, and minus minus will be plus sine square theta. And look at here, a square plus b square will be a plus b whole square minus 2ab, and this has been copied as it is. Is this clear? Now here sine square theta and sine square theta can be added to sine square theta, and this minus 1 is as it is. Now this part is completed, and for this one sine square plus cos square will be 1, and 1 squared is as it is. And look at here, 2 sine square cos square plus sine square cos square will be minus sine square cos square, because I have shown you this format over here. This is the part of CMath, right? This is CMath solving. Look at here clearly. Minus 2a square b square plus a square b square will be minus a square b square. Exactly, I have done the same format over here. And now it will be, look at here. This part should not be touched now because this is already what we obtained, right? This is what we need. And look at here, cos square has been converted into sine square, so that we will get sine 4 in our right part. So we did this, and we just opened the bracket by sine square. It will be sine square 1 is sine square, and minus minus will be plus, and sine square will be sine 4. Look at here. And the last step was 1 minus sine square can be written as cos square. So now we wrote 1 minus sine square as cos square, and sine 4 is as it is, and the front part remains as it is. Now this is our solution. Look at this carefully, okay? This is a bit important question. Look at this carefully. And you should write this in your copy and cross it. Because don't do this kind of errors in your exam. This will be incorrect. Is this clear? You are clear, right? So I want you to copy our fourth question. And fourth question goes like this. Copy this part. D. Fourth question, okay? Sin 8 minus cos 8 results sin square minus cos square 1 minus 2 sin square cos square. This D part. I want you to copy the question number D, okay? Sin 8 minus cos 8 gives sin square minus cos square 1 minus 2 sin square dot cos square. This is our question. Have you copied the question? You have copied it, right? So let me solve for you. But before that, I think I should rub the board, okay? While I am rubbing the board, you can just analyze the question that we have just completed, okay? Or you can just revise the formula. Just don't waste your spare time. Let me rub the board first. Or you might drink water, be fresh, and be at your full potential, okay? Because this is mathematics subject, so it requires your full concentration. And I don't want you to be lazy. So be fresh and energetic, okay? Now let's go for our next question. Question number D. Now question number D, and the left part of D is, let's write left hand side. It says sin 8 theta minus cos 8 theta. I think we have done this in factorization as well, right? It is very simple, very much simple, right? So it has only one choice. It will be sin 4 theta whole square minus cos 4 theta whole square, right? Because 4 to the 8 and 4 to the 8 is very simple. Are you clear up to here? Now this is in the form, a square. It is not writing, right? Let me take another marker. It is in the form a square minus b square, right? So this sin 4 theta inside our green box is a, and this one in our green circle is b. So a square minus b square. Now let's solve it. Now you might write a plus b and a minus b. Okay. Now our a plus b will be a plus b. Are you clear? A plus b, a minus b. Or you could have written a minus b, a plus b. That does not make any difference. Are you clear up to here? Now I think you have understood the fact that we have again converted it into a format of formula, right? A4 plus B4 format. Now it will be, right, big bracket, sin square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square, right? The 4 can be again written as 2 into 2. And for this right part, you can write sin square theta whole square minus cos square theta whole square. Are you clear up to here? You are clear, right? Is this clear? So in this part, look at here. You do have a square plus b square. So this is our a, this is our b. So for a square plus b square, we can write it as a plus b whole square minus 2ab, right? So it will be now, look at here, a plus b, right? Whole square, a plus b whole square. For this one, this is a, this is b, a square plus b square. It will be a plus b whole square minus 2ab, right? Minus 2ab, right? A plus b whole square minus 2ab. Is it clear? Let me close this with bracket. And in this part, it is a square minus b square. Now this will be written as a plus b and a minus b. This will be, look at here, a plus b, a plus b and a minus b, right? A minus b. Are you clear up to here? Let me show you from the first. Here was sin it minus cos it. We wrote it as sin 4 whole square cos 4 whole square. A square minus b square will be a plus b, a minus b. And again, it can be converted as a square plus b square. A square plus b square will be a plus b whole square minus 2ab. And for this part, a square minus b square can be written as a plus b, a minus b. Are you clear up to this? You are clear, right? So let's use the formula. Now, it can be written as 1, right? Because sin square plus cos square will be 1 minus. Now, copy this as it is, 2 sin square theta cos square theta. The left part has been finished. Is this clear? And in the right part, now you have sin square plus cos square. This one is again 1, right? 1 into, now here we have sin square minus cos square. Here we have sin square minus cos square, right? Minus cos square. Is this clear? Now this is clear, right? So let's arrange this into our right hand side. Now we can write this part in first because it is connected by multiply sign. So 1 into this becomes this, right? So it will be now sin square theta minus cos square theta, right? From the right part, and this one can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. I think this is our right hand side, right? This is our right hand side. Look at here, I'll repeat it for you. This has been written to this part, right? And this one has been written to the right part. So this is our answer. This was very simple, right? Just a square minus b square and a square plus b square format. So if you are confused over here, I want you to request, or I want you to request your friends to donate you the notes of our previous classes, okay? If you are absent. And if you are present, you can read it by yourself. I had written some list of formula of algebra, right? Which were important for our optional math. So look the question thoroughly. Can I rub it now? I can rub it now, okay? Now let's go to the last question. Copy this one, copy E number. Last question, it says sin theta plus sec theta whole square plus cos dot cosec whole square. Are you getting it? Copy this one. Question. Copy the last question. It says sin plus sec whole square plus cosec whole square is equal to 1 plus sec dot cosec. Are you clear? Have you copied the question? Copy it faster.
Excuse me, sir. We have
I'll drop the board, okay?
Check.
Less than 2 minutes only?
Check.
We have less than 2 minutes left.
Less than 2 minutes left.
Yes, sir.
So I think we should terminate our class, okay? There is no use of doing that question. Have you got it? And we are just attempting that question because we have so much less time left. So I don't think you can do that question in less than 2 minutes, okay? It will be very much rapid and a bit confusing to you. So take that question as your assignment. And if you are in doubt, I'll solve it for you. And to all the students, I want to request you that you must follow your assignment on time. Complete the assignments on time, right? And do it by yourself. And I am doing a new activity for you from today onwards. From today onwards, after 2 or 3 days of giving assignment, I will send you the solution as well. So the solution of previous assignments will be provided to you in today's Google Classroom class, okay? In today's classroom email, you can check it out. I will provide you the solution of previous assignments as well. Is it clear? So if you are confused in any kind of question of our previous assignment, you will get the solution, proper solution with proper format and your colorful diagrams, right, in your Google Classroom. So check it out. Are you clear? So if you have any problem, you can raise it in the personal chat as well. And in the next class, we are now going to the long questions, which will carry 4 or 5 marks. Is it clear? So for that, you need to be prepared very well with your formula and previous questions. So for next class, I want you all to revise your formula, okay? Formula of trigonometry and formula of algebra. Is it clear? Now I think we must terminate our class. If you have any question, you can raise the questions. Okay. And if your friends are in puzzle, please help your friends, help and get helped. Okay.